He makes you feel so comfortable as a patient. I think making it so comfortable for me as a patient to go to him was the biggest attraction, and of course the trust that I developed because of that.
He makes you feel like he genuinely cares, and he's so sincere.
He's young enough to be modern, but he's old enough to be experienced.
I did do research and I did go to different doctors, but I decided to go with Shell. I just felt the most comfortable with Dr. Lincenberg.
Dr. Lincenberg did something that you don't see a doctor do too often. When he sat down to talk to me, he sat back in his chair, and physically what he was saying to me is that you have my undivided attention, ask away.
When they come in for a consultation, I feel as if they want someone to hear what they have to say. And most of the time I like to sit down because then they know I'm not hurried, and I don't want to be hurried, either in my own mind or in their mind. We just start to talk.
I always have questions, and he's always answer with a very good explanation, very detailed, to help me to understand the procedure and make me feel comfortable of what he's going to be doing on me. He's very knowledgeable on his work.
The first thing that attracted me to him were his credentials. And I put a lot of faith in not only the med school in Illinois he went to, but also that he trained at Mayo Clinic.
I have so much trust in Dr. Lincenberg's work, with his behavior, with his attitude, with his disposition at the bedside manner with the patients. It's just outstanding.
Really, there's only a handful of surgeons in Atlanta that you would even want to talk to about doing that type of work. And he stood out above the rest.
It would be my opinion that going to Dr. Lincenberg would be the best decision you could make. He has a passion for the patient and a passion for surgery, and that's the kind of doctor that you want to go to. I felt that he was there for me, and he was going to be there for me through this whole thing, and he has been. I feel like I have a doctor, but I also feel like I made a friend.